Welcome to WeGoALGAE's 5-minute pitching video. Our partner ID is 23450.
WeGoALGAE aims to use microalgae as an innovative air purifier to reduce pollutants effectively. We focus on developing photobioreactors in different sizes to fulfill different needs. The microalgae photobioreactor will remove pollutants while generating oxygen and biomass. We aim to work along with the three ESG pillars, allowing full consideration and awareness of the environment and the society. Hong Kong's current road and pedestrian barely has enough space to plant adult trees. Not even to mention it takes time for trees to grow. The existing microalgae photobioreactors are also very expensive. Traditional forms of air purifiers are unsustainable, requiring replacement of filters and causing unnecessary waste. Here's our solution. With a 1 meter cubic self-sustainable algae photobioreactor, we can replace 2 adult trees or over 200 square meters of lawn. Our reactors are also proven to be efficient in CO2 and pollutants such as PM particles, heavy metals, and reduces urban heat island effect while producing oxygen and biomass.
So in terms of WeGoALGAE's key advantages compared to houseplants and more importantly, existing air purifiers, it is mainly the incorporation of oxygen generation, and this occurs with increased efficiency compared to houseplants occupying the same space. Our technology requires lower maintenance effort and is sustainable and an eco-friendly substitute, while being a cheaper and more convenient option that provides a wide range of use. In terms of our technology uniqueness, it solely revolves around the utilization of algae to filter out aerial pollutants while also contributing to oxygen generation. And this is done by using a bioreactor which maintains a serene and ambient indoor environment. Not only that, it is also a suitable and renewable solution, but it is also a piece of functional and aesthetic decor with a very low energy requirement while also promoting green space.
After our market research, we have divided our market into 3 categories: home use, commercial and public use, and educational use. For home use, we target individual citizens for personal and home use. Customers can purchase small reactors for home or workplace. Commercial public use targets businesses, governments, and organizations for use in public spaces like bus stops, parks, product application, or other purposes. For educational use, we target schools, tutors, or other educational centers. Customers can purchase microalgae reactor kits, allowing students to study microalgae and conduct hands-on experiments. For market validation, we have divided our research into 2 segments: student segments, which is ages 6 to 21, working retired segment, which is ages 22 plus. We have concluded 3 key points. 70% are unhappy with existing indoor and outdoor air quality, although they are all unfamiliar with microalgae photobioreactors, but they do express a strong interest. One of the biggest concern we have concluded from our market validation was that our product has a potential of attracting insects and hygienic issues. But from our constant refinement and experiments, we have confidence to mitigate these issues completely.
For our business model, we like to focus on the revenue stream. We have 2 main revenue models: recurring contract-based sales and one-time product sales. As to recurring revenue, it involves first, the contract-based sales for businesses, organizations, and educational institutions. Second, ongoing orders for bioreactor education kits from schools or education providers. Third is the subscription-based bioreactor service agreements with commercial or public customers. As to one-time revenue, first is the sales of home-use bioreactor units. Second is algae food and algae species to home users. Third is one-off purchases of bioreactors by individual customers. As to development timeline and achievements, first, prototype-wise, from January to May, we have developed at least 5 prototypes with 2 successful working prototypes. Second, company-wise, we have registered our company, completed our market research, and have contacted some potential customers. In the upcoming months, we aim to finalize and sign a contract with our customer and finalize our small-scale prototype and education kit.
Our first experiment tested algae in different forms. We tested out freeze-dried algae, normal liquid algae, and different types of algae. From this experiment, we have concluded that normal liquid chlorella is the most efficient in terms of reproduction, withstanding different conditions and absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. Hence, from these experiments, WeGoALGAE have decided to use chlorella microalgae for the photobioreactors. Our second experiment worked with the reproduction of algae. We took some existing algae and diluted it with water to see the speed of reproduction. It was able to reproduce algae quickly in fresh water, showing our success in harvesting and growing algae. Finally, our team currently consists of 5 members. We are all current bachelor students from the University of Hong Kong, studying in different majors and will be in charge of different parts of the company. Thank you for your attention.